Hi, it's Chris here from IH Motorhomes. So just arrived, we have got this Swift Bolero. This is the 724FB. So 4-berth, 4 seat belts. The layout of this one, you've got a rear bathroom, you've got a fixed double bed at the back as well, and then you've got your front lounge, you've got 4 travelling seat belts, and your lounge mates into a double bed too. Now, extras on this one, quite a lot. We've got a solar panel, we've got a satellite on there as well, external barbecue point, we've got a tow bar, we've got a bike rack. Loads of good stuff on this. Obviously, you've got the Remis blinds on the windscreen, you've got the blinds and fly screens throughout. Cooking facilities as well. You've got a hob in there, you've got mains hob, 3 gas burners, full oven and separate grill, and you've got a microwave as well. 2016, but later 16, so it's a 66 plate, this one. Really low miles, I think it's 12,900 miles off the top of my head. Now, if you want to come and see us, give us a call. The telephone number is 01977 677 118. My name's Chris, we've got Sean, we've got Martin in sales too. We are, the postcode for your sat nav, that's probably more to the point, is WF11, Whiskey Foxtrot 11, 0 Bravo Juliet. Now, there's an SO garage just opposite us, that'll get you sort of there, and you'll see all our flags in our motorhomes, so you'll pull in the yard and customer parking just on your right hand side as you pull in. If you want any more information before you come, give us a call. This is on the website as well. Thanks very much for watching, hopefully see you soon.